Two-story townhouses with garages line up in rows along streets. Green lawns are separated by parallel driveways. The complex office has decorative landscaping and parking surrounding it. The entry is labeled a Rosemoor. Casual furniture and a kitchen bar fill the lobby. Restaurant-style booths align together. Ontdoors, a pool courtyard has chaise lounges and a long rectangle pool. In an apartment, a wide kitchen island with stainless sink and gold faucet stands across from counters, cabinets, and a stove. In another apartment, white stone-look counters top a blue island. Women eat from a charcuterie board on the counter. They sit on an outdoor deck and sip beverages. The living area has an overhead fan and wood-look plank floors. The bedroom has a large window, and a door opens to a bathroom with double vanity, glass wall shower stall, and wide vanity mirror. Other bedrooms are furnished with twin beds and have similar bathrooms. A man works out in a weight room on a rowing machine. Another runs on a treadmill in front of glass windows. People picnic and play cornhole in grassy areas adjacent to the pool deck. Shaded outdoor seating stands near an outdoor kitchen with bar stools and dining tables. People lounge by the pool. A child swims with an inner tube. People gather on comfortable casual leather-look L-shaped couches in the gathering room. A pool table with whimsical overhead lighting stands near a shuffleboard table. People play pool and shuffleboard. Lush landscaping surrounds a brick entry sign that reads the Rosemoor. Icons: equal opportunity housing.